Ka Jowai Hospital Blood Bank Center ke Badan Hapanaliar hakakat Sautrik Jeliu, kala rakhe ya ka World Blood Donors Day halor kapang Give Blood, Give Hope, Together We Save Life. Da ka balik burom ya kito ki bala beteng banu senyang klem tengkai ban pelaj im ya ki para beriu lengba ke jing ais namon ngobha. Haba keren kum ukong san ha ka program u additional SP ke distrik u Ishan Gupta, ula ai ke jingero ka bakrau ya baro kito ki balawan syakmat ban ais nam da ka mon ngobha. Ula banjur hak lor ke jing kong san jong ke jing ais nam mon ngobha ha ke jing syakri ha ke liang ke koit ke khia da ke babata ya ki kum ke bor ha lendet jong ke jing ele ke banang roy ha ke bayade bat ke jing ais nam mon ngobha. Haba kedo halor ke jing long jing man ke bementa. U Ishan Gupta ulapan kan mau halor ke jingja hab lingsun ke badang shen ha ke ba arspa ndriu pongut hadu arspa nyu pongut kibriu kila du e yala ke jing im bat kumba shispa ngut kiwei pat kilangat ha ke jing mensau bat don ha pedeng ke jing syak sumar ke balaban bor ya ke tenat ke koit ke khia kam tam e ya ke kenhun ai jing sumar. U Gupta ulaya samru ya ke jingja ke ba ulaya kendu ha ke jing im da ke baong ha ka por bangadang don ha pedeng khat sau haduk khandriu snem ka henmen jonga kalangat ha ka jing shitom cancer ulapan kan mau kumno ba ka jing sumar jongka ka don kam shibun bha ka snam bat ngilamat ya ka jing e ha ka bayade bat kani ka jing don kam bakerki kani ka jing ja kalapan syai kadar hanga bak haduk katnu ka jing kong san jong ka jing ais nam bat kumno baki blood bank ki yarap ban pelaj im ya ki para mensimbriu ka balapan kelaju nom ya ki jimut jim perkat jonga ulaong. Ha ka bani ka program la pelong ru ya ka jing snap jar ka bakat san second ban duai na ka benta ki to ki mensim ke bala klat no bat na ka benta ka jing yok bor ha pedeng ki bahayi ngasem jong ki bat ru na ka benta ka jing yok khiat no kloi jong ki to ki bemensau. Ya kini ke program la penyai da u Dr. Di Lakyang Medical Superintendent Jowai Civil Hospital ha ke bala yok ru ya ke jing kren pediang na u William Bor Sumer lab technician bat ka jing ai kublei na ka kong memory lamin staff nurse.
While we discuss, of course, the importance of donation of blood has been discussed immensely, and there is no second thought. As we are sitting here, safe and sound in our homes, in this center, there are our brothers and sisters who have just undergone a tragedy in another part of India. The aeroplane crash, you all would have heard. Almost 260 to 70 people have tragically lost their lives. The entire health system there is currently stretched. There are almost 100 people injured. They are undergoing treatment. And the department on which the largest burden lies is the medical department. So I'll request all of us, we'll take out 10-15 seconds, we'll close our eyes, we can maybe pray for the departed souls and for the strength to their families, and for the injured ones to quickly recover and be back in action again. Thank you all. We can have a seat. Thank you for joining us in this. I have had a personal experience. I was very young that time. I was around 15, 16 years of age, and my sister had undergone a serious ailment. She was undergoing cancer treatment. I was back in Delhi, and we were in a need of lot of blood for her for the treatments to go. And I remember the moment it was diagnosed and then the treatment started. Our family was running here and there like mad people. We donated as much as we could, but still the treatment was such that and that was the time we realized how important blood donation is, how important the role of blood banks is in our society.